Hi, my name is Mike Fitzgerald. I'm the VP of Global IT for a company called HID Global.
I am Jim Bruhl, Managing Partner, Centroid Systems.
We had a number of problems coming towards us. The business is changing in the way that it was modeling and moving from a perpetual type business to a subscription licensing type business, which meant that we needed to increase the capabilities around our billing. And the new versions of Oracle were giving us those enhancements. But also combined with that, we were faced with lifecycle movement in the data center, where the data center that we had was due for renewal. So we were faced with, do we invest in renewing the data center and doing the upgrade, or do we start looking at how we approach this in a more holistic fashion? One of the significant impacts that we had is that we had to do massive customizations at the end of last year to enable part of our organization to create a subscription billing contract. And for us to onboard a new contract, it was taking us over 4 weeks just to set up a new contract, which was really inhibiting the business in terms of the growth plans that it needed. So it was really a case of we had to come up with a good business type solution really quickly, and how could we do that to enable the business to change its model in the way that it wanted to.
In our discussions with HID Global, we wanted to put together a cloud roadmap and take a look at their workloads as we transformed and moved them, into the cloud. So we had to discover inventory and then prioritize and categorize those workloads. And the Oracle E-Business Suite, among other Oracle applications and technologies, were some of the highest priorities. And as Mike was talking about, a combination of enhancing and going to a subscription-based model, as well as getting out of really a data center business and then focusing on growth for their business and modernizing things along the way. So we put together a cloud roadmap, and we took those applications and we moved them into Oracle OCI.
We did go out and look at other solutions. We were never going to change the ERP because that was just too significant. We looked at third-party product to put in front, but that really was going to become a maintenance nightmare. So really, I use the phrase "the stars aligned" for us, where the upgrade was just about ready for us, and the data center move was imminent. So we were able to, and we'd been talking about this with Centroid for a couple of years around how we roadmap, how we get ready for it. So we knew exactly what we were doing there. And the move towards it just really, Oracle on Oracle, just made sense. We'd worked with Centroid on a number of smaller-based projects over time and got to know each other. We were introduced by Oracle to them as a premium partner. They engaged with us very, very well. We got a great working relationship, and I think the triumvirate of Oracle, Centroid, and HID's teams working together really did excel this project and made it a success.
Some repeatable IP that we gained out of this project is always just enhancing not just our capabilities, but our processes. And so when we talk to additional customers or even HID Global about some of their other workloads, we're able to take those things that we put in place, execute on them in a faster and also a better operational efficiency, both for them and for us. Being an Oracle Platinum partner, things that we have gained along in our own journey to the cloud in relationship with Oracle, there's many things to talk about. One of the first things is probably customer acquisition. So being a partner to Oracle, they allow us to have conversations with more customers than we can probably do on our own. So customer acquisitions is very important. The second thing around our capabilities is having a relationship with product development, especially on the cloud side. So whether it's on platform as a service or infrastructure as a service, having direct access to those individuals that are building out new technology in those new platforms allows us to get to the customer, solve problems faster, and provide them back value.
If we can actually onboard a new contract from the organization, not in 4 weeks, as I mentioned earlier, but in hours, and have it as a matter of business as usual rather than a project to onboard every product or every customer, then the benefit to the organization is such that we can be agile in the marketplace and we can deliver more to our customers. As I mentioned, we can still, there's lots of new features, functionality that are going to go there, but we're still going to extend what we do with our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and OCI. We're going to maximize our investment there. We're going to move more non-Oracle architecture to that environment. We're going to really try and make sure that that becomes our whole central data center and get out of the data center business. So there's many benefits still to come.